is Olga Serbo. I'm a board-certified behavior analyst and licensed behavior analyst. And today, we're going to talk about an important and common topic for many parents: getting your child with autism to sleep in their own bed. If your child with autism has been sleeping in your bed and now you're trying to transition them into their own room, but they're resistant, you're not alone. Children with autism thrive on routines, and big changes like moving to a new sleep space can feel overwhelming. The good news is you can help them transition gently without meltdowns by using practical, step-by-step strategies that I'll share in today's video. But before we start talking in more details about this topic, I would like to encourage you to give this video a like and hit the subscribe button below so you can benefit from weekly information on the subject of autism. Before we dive into solutions, let's talk about why this transition is hard for your child. First is the routine and predictability. If they have always slept in your bed, know that that's their safe place and the new room feels unfamiliar. The second factor impacting the transitioning is the separation anxiety. Your child may feel comforted by your presence and struggles to be alone. The third factor is the sensory needs. They may prefer the feeling of your bed, the warmth, or even the sounds in your room. And the last factor staying in your way for transitioning the child into another bed and room is the fear of change. Any change, even a positive one, can feel overwhelming to a child with autism. But don't worry, you can help your child feel safe and comfortable in their new room with the right approach. So, the first suggestion for you is the gradual introduction to the new room. Help your child get used to their new room before expecting them to sleep there. Spend time in the room during the day. Play games, read books, or do calming activities. Make it a happy place. Add favorite toys, a weighted blanket, soft lights, or a comforting scent. Let your child take naps in the new room first before transitioning to nighttime sleep. Let them choose bedding or a special stuffed animal to create a sense of ownership and excitement. Second suggestion, have a step-by-step sleep plan. Instead of expecting an instant transition, move forward in small, manageable steps. Start by laying with your child in their new room until they fall asleep. Over time, sit further away on a chair next to the bed, then by the door, then outside the room. Use a consistent phrase. It's time to sleep in your own bed. I'm right here. Move at your child's pace, but stay consistent to avoid going back to old habits. The third suggestion, use a comfort or transition object. A familiar object can help replace the comfort of a parent presence. Introduce a special stuffed animal, or a blanket, or even a shirt that smells like you for comfort. Pair the object with reassuring words. This bear will keep you cozy, just like mommy and daddy do. Let your child hold the item while falling asleep. Over time, your child will associate the object with safety, making the transition easier. The fourth suggestion: keep the bedtime routine the same. Children with autism find comfort in predictable routines. Keep bedtime as familiar as possible. Keep the same bedtime, same order of steps: bath, pajama, story, cuddle, and sleep. Use visual schedules or a bedtime checklist with pictures to show what happens next. Use a bedtime phrase like, "Now it's time to sleep in your own bed, just like last night." The more predictable bedtime is, the less anxious your child will be. The fifth suggestion is to provide reassurance, but do not rescue. If your child wakes up and calls for you, help them settle in without bringing them back to your bed. Go to them instead of bringing them to your room. Use calm, reassuring tone. "I know it's hard, but you're safe in your own bed." Comfort them briefly, then encourage them to fall back asleep in their own space. If they keep coming to your bed, gently walk them back every time. Consistency is key. The sixth and last suggestion: use visual cues. Here you can use pictures of every family member and place the corresponding picture to the corresponding bedroom door. This way, we can help the child comprehend that mom and dad's bedroom belongs to them and the child's bedroom belongs to the child. Parents, I would like you to be strong and mentally prepared that some nights may be harder than others. Be patient with your child. Be consistent with your approach. And most important, believe that they can do it. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with other caretakers who may be struggling with the same transition. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.